Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I'm the Mummy Finger. Today's recipe is a much loved South Indian breakfast dish, Idiyappam. You can eat idiyappams with grated coconut and sugar or with spicy gravies like egg gravy or chicken gravy. In a bowl, add 1 cup of rice flour. Add little salt and mix well. Add hot water little by little and keep mixing the flour. When the flour is wet and sticks together, knead into a soft dough. Wrap it in a fresh foil and keep it aside. Take the idiyappam press and grease it well with oil. Also grease the idli plates with oil. Take a small portion of the dough and fill it into the idiyappam press and close the press. In the idli plate, press the dough in a circular motion to form the idiyappam. Repeat the same and make 16 idiyappams on the idli plates. In a cooker or big vessel, pour about 2 cups of water. Mount the idli plates on the idli stand and keep the idli stand inside the cooker or vessel. Close with the lid and allow it to cook in medium flame for about 7 minutes. Soft and tasty idiyappam is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.